If you would like to chat with your participants during a Zoom meeting, all you have to do is hover over Chat and click on it. A window on the right side will open up like this. Then you will be able to choose who you would like to chat with. By default, it will be set to everyone, but you will be able to choose a particular participants if you would like to speak to them privately. So when you choose and click on Participant, it will show here privately. Type in a message and hit Enter, and it will display it in here like that. On the other end, if you would like to select a file that you would like them to download or share with them, then while everyone is selected in here, make sure you click on File. The system will ask you where you would like to download the file from. You have some sharing systems in here, but if the file is on your computer, simply click Your Computer. When you do that, you will be able to choose the file from your computer, and when you click on Open, the file will be displayed like this in here. So people will be able to click on it and download.